Hey guys, Paul Roberta here with Clean Care Services. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, just want to let you know we're celebrating 20 years in the carpet and floor cleaning industry. We are proudly serving our clients all over the country, and we'd love to do the same for you. We actually have programs that are in place that can show you a way to prevent premature replacement costs of your carpet and flooring. Let's face it, carpet and floors are very expensive to replace. So it's much more cost effective to maintain those areas with a program that's tailored to fit your needs and your budget. We use environmentally friendly products. We have trained technicians. So we'd love to help you out. Please check our website out at www.cleancareservices.com, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.